Today we're going to take a look at the 6 LED surface mount strobe light with the clear lens and the amber LEDs. Now this strobe light is installed in an aluminum housing and it's rated IP67 for water and dust resistance. Common use on this is for pickup trucks, work trucks, or trailers. It's a black aluminum base with the clear lens and it has 6 amber LEDs. Now the LEDs make great replacements for incandescent lights because they last 50 times longer and they're more efficient because they provide brighter light with less power output. And of course, no bulbs to replace or no brittle filaments. Now this will offer 19 flash patterns and a simultaneous or alternating function. It does use a blunt cut wire connection. You can see the wire right here. It's about 8 inches long. It has 3 wires. You have your black for your ground, red for your power, and then yellow is used for synchronization and alternating flash. At the end of this video, I'm going to hook this up to power to show you the light, and we'll talk about those wires when I hook them up. This is a surface mount design. Does include a foam gasket and the mounting screws for a nice simple installation. Now we do offer an optional grommet and 90-degree mounting bracket, which is sold separately if you want to mount it that way. I happen to pull both of those. Here's the grommet that this will fit in, and here's the 90-degree mounting bracket. Now both of these items are listed on the bottom of this part number product page. This light is an IPX8 waterproof rating. Has 6 LEDs. Voltage is 12 to 24 volts. Amperage is 1.1 amps at 12 volts. And the last thing, I just want to measure it here and then we'll hook it up to some power. So overall length end to end is right at 5 inches. Overall height, very bottom to the very top, is 1 1/8 inches tall. And the total depth is only 3/4 of an inch deep. So now we're going to go ahead and hook this up to some power. So we'll take our black to black for ground. We'll take our red to red for power. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn it on like that, and it'll show you how bright it is in the flash pattern. Now the yellow wire, the reason I'm leaving that disconnected is because what will happen is when you touch this to the power wire, it'll change the flash pattern. That's the way you'll get your 19 different flash patterns, because when you touch it, it'll reset the flash pattern. And also if you happen to use multiple lights and you want them all to flash and to be synced together, you take the yellow wire from each light and connect those all together, and then once you get your flash pattern, you hook them all together. It'll give you the same flash pattern over all the lights. So right now we're going to go ahead and turn on the power, the 12-volt power. And with it on, you can see the 6 amber LEDs in a flash pattern. Go ahead and turn off our overhead lights. You can see how very bright it is. Now I'll take that yellow wire and touch it. And you can see once I've touched it, it's changed it to a different flash pattern. Touch it again. There's another one. And one more time. And again, you'll have 19 different ones to choose from. Go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. And turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on the 6 LED surface mount strobe light with the clear lens and the amber LEDs.